Welcome back to yet another video. Today I am going to prep the frame for sandblasting and painting. People will probably call me crazy, but I want to remove all the casting marks that are left on the frame from factory. I think that it looks kind of cheap, to be honest. Most people will probably not even notice, but I do, so I have to remove them just for peace of mind. So yeah, stick along, and I have some time lapse of the grinding of the frame, and I will explain at the end of the video how everything will go after that. Okay, see ya. I think it looks a bit cheap, to be honest, when all the casting marks are there. So I've removed all of them, and as you can see here, I have sorted out all of the nuts and bolts for the entire bike. It's written in Norwegian, but yeah, so this is all the parts that are going to be powder coated and sandblasted, and also the shocks. So I will probably make another video on just the shocks themselves, because I'm taking off the lower legs and the triple clamps because they are also getting painted, and since I have to service the fork anyways, I could tear it apart anyways. So I will make a dedicated video only for the forks, on how to take them apart, and how to change the bushings here, and also the oil bushings on the inside here, and how to bleed the reservoir that are in here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the bike painted. That means I could put everything together like frame wise, and the wheels, and I can put the bike back on the stand, and every other part that is controller, battery, everything that could be mounted once the frame is painted up. And yeah, stick around. I will make a whole bunch of videos during the winter, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.